Hello guys, let's make a circular stair. This is our example and we're going to make it look like this picture. Okay, so first I'm gonna fix the units. There are a lot of options for units, but I'm going to work in meters. Then I'm gonna press OK. First, let's work on the top view. I'm going to choose 3-point arc and press 0 enter to start from the origin point. Take a radius of 0.3 meter and an angle of 270 degree. Then I'm gonna offset this arc about 1.5 meter to fit 2 persons. Okay. Now I didn't press enter, that's why it didn't work. I'm gonna do it again. Offset 1.5. I'm going to close the 2 arcs by a line. Now I'm gonna array this line. I'm gonna choose polar array. Pick this line, choose polar array, take the origin point, 0 enter, and I'm gonna choose around 20 steps to go from level 0 to level 3 and press enter. Now I'm gonna select all, choose trim and trim all these steps, just keeping the first step our shape of steps. Now I'm gonna join it to make it one step. Join, done. Okay, now I'm gonna add a circle and I'm gonna extrude it. Doesn't matter how much I'm gonna extrude it. Okay, extrude curve. I'm gonna change it to shaded view. And now I'm gonna extrude my step around 0.075 meter, around 7 centimeter. Now I'm gonna array it around this circle. And now let's select all this extruded step and press the command polar array. Choose the center of the circle, press enter and write 270 degree. And I'm gonna choose the Z offset around 0.18. It's gonna be 18 centimeter. So the level between the steps is gonna be 18 centimeter. And this is what it's gonna look like. Finally, I can delete the circular part, and this is the rendered view. Sorry, this is not the rendered view. This is the rendered view. And then the future session, I'm gonna add the handrail for this stair. Thank you for watching and good luck.